Hey, so we got this problem and it says we have f of x is equal to 9 times the square root of 5x plus 5, and we have g of x is equal to 5x plus 3. And it wants us to do two things. It wants us to do g of f of 2, and it wants us to find g of f of x. So this notation right here means we're going to do g f of 2. So we're going to do f of 2 first, and then we're going to do g of f of 2. All right. So first thing we need to do is this inside part, f of 2. So f of 2 is 9 times the square root of 5 times 2 plus 5. Ready? This is equal to 9 times the square root of 10 plus 5, which is 9 times the square root of 15. All right. Square root of 15 is not going to simplify any, so we're just going to leave it like that for now. All right. Now that we've got this, we're going to plug this into our g of x function. So we're going to do g of 9 on the square root of 15. All right. G of 9 on the square root of 15 is 5 times 9 times the square root of 15 plus 3. All right. So when we do this, we have 5 times 9 is 45 on the square root of 15 plus 3. And then we can plug this in the calculator, and we're going to get 177.2842250. It keeps going. All right, but they told us round to 4 decimal places. So rounding to 4 decimal places, we're going to get 177.2843. Then that would be my final answer for that first part. Alrighty. Then we need to find g of f of x. Right? This is part 2, or part B, whatever you want to call it. Alrighty. We had f of x was equal to the square root, or 9 times the square root of 5x plus 5, and g of x is equal to 5x plus 3. Make sure that's correct. Yes. So to do g of f of x, we're going to take our f of x function and we're going to plug it in to g right there where our x is. So this is going to be 5 times 9 on the square root of 5x plus 5 plus 3. Alrighty, and I can simplify this just a little bit more and do 45 on the square root of 5x plus 5 plus 3. And then that would be my final answer. The biggest part of these problems is recognizing where you're plugging stuff in. So whenever it says g of f of x, we're taking this whole f of x function and putting it in to our g where we see an x.